Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Leo placements. This is your general and check natin kung ano bang meron, ano bang takbuhan, no, ng situation ninyo in love. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? And yeah, don't forget na i-follow yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay? So, yung ating love letter and yung mga mahilig sa animals dyan, yung rescue animals. So, yun po. Ha? Okay? Let's see. Again, yung ating mga items is all available. Yung ating protection from evil eye, and the love bracelet, and si granter, and yung ating cord cutting. Okay? Kung may tanong, again, message lang po sa FB page. Okay? Fias Taro. So, let's see what's for you in general. What's for you in general? Mid-April. Leo. Okay. Oh, this is you. How are you? The sun in reversed. How are you? Are you fine? Kumusta yung health ninyo? Iba sa inyo. What's with the sun in reversed? This is draining energy. Some of you feeling drained. The Chariot. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. If this is talking about your health, some of you may progress ako nakikita rito. May mga gagaling, may mga pagaling, may mga magiging mas okay ang mga naramdaman, okay? So, parang ma-uplift yung energy. If you're like feeling drained lang naman, yeah, ma-uplift. Parang ganyan, magiging mas okay. I'm sensing here some of you makakakuha ka ng surprise. A surprise visit from a friend maybe, or a surprise invitation, something like that. In general, there's this surprise coming in for you, mga Leo. Okay? Okay. Surprise invitation, biglaang yakag, mga ganung bagay. Biglaang travel, unplanned travel. Di ba? Madalas, no, yung mga unplanned talaga, yun yung mga natutuloy eh. Oo. Kapag planado, hindi nakukulayan. 'Di ba? Oo, madalas. Oo. Anyway. The Knight of Swords in reverse. Some of you, kung ikaw itong may mga gagawin, may mga lakad, sinasabi rito na medyo dahan-dahan lamang. Lalo na if you're traveling. Okay, dahan-dahan. Or sabihin nating be safe. Okay? Just be safe. Six of Cups. You have this past person na pwedeng mag-reach out. Okay? Wanting to reach out maybe. Okay? You're in their head. Natatakot lang mag-approach, hindi lang ready, I guess. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. Meron tong gustong gawing action. In general, meron siyang gustong gawin pagdating sa'yo. The King of Wands is here. Some of you, just be careful. This is a player. Okay, somebody na hindi naging consistent pagdating sa communication rin, I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng itong taong to, yeah, your ex, sabihin nating para siyang lumubog lumitaw ngayon, parang ganun, or i-chat ka maya maya wala na, like that. So they're giving you mixed signals or okay, inconsistency. So some of you, ikaw itong parang igagrab mo yung something like opportunity, okay, and sabihin nating merong kabigatan, may kabigatan. I don't know kung anong tinutukoy nito. Pwedeng sa work, okay. I don't know if this is an opportunity or something lang na parang mapapa-oo ka lang kasi hindi mo kayang humindi, like that. I'm seeing here overtime. Okay, like overtime ka na, mag-overtime ka pa, something like that. King of Swords, the Devil in reversed, cutting off. Some of you, this is talking about planning, being ready. Okay? Iba sa inyo meron ditong curious na person or vina-validate. I don't know kung ano to, evaluation maybe. What's with this? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. O siguro, sa paganda to, kung ito ay work. Meron ako nakikita rito na pwedeng may darating na sulat or darating na something. Pwedeng magandang news. Okay, about a transaction, business maybe, proposal for some of you. Okay? Merong some of you iniintay mo to. Okay, I'm seeing here papers, legal, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so yeah, Wheel of Fortune, good energy. Iba sa inyo pwedeng mayroong kasagutan pagdating sa pera, parang ganyan. Okay. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. At yung iba sa inyo, medyo maganda talaga. Sabihin nating meron ako nakukuhang benta eh. Okay? I don't know if this is talking about a quota or pwedeng ikaw itong makakapagbenta ng bahay or mga ganun. Okay? And yeah, may mabebenta. Parang ganun. May magkakaigihan. No? Parang ganyan. So there. Next. Tayo tumungo na sa current situation ninyo in love. Oo. Let's see what's for you, Leos. Ano bang situation ninyo ngayon? In love. Situation ng mga Leos. In love. Let's see. Okay. Death in reversed. Some of you could be dealing with a Scorpio. The Three of Cups. Ay! Connection na sabihin nating unstable. Pero masaya kayo sa isa't isa. Ayan, the Ten of Pentacles. Masaya kayo sa isa't isa, I guess. Pero ba't ganyan? Death in reverse. Meron ditong gustong makipagbalikan rin or nakikipagbalikan because of the Three of Cups. That's reconciliation card. Death in reverse, that's parang pagbalik. Ang nakukuha ko dito, this is a repeat, not a new chapter. Leos. Okay, the Two of Cups is here in reversed. The King of Cups in reverse. Some of you, pwedeng advice is wag masyado maging open if ever when it comes to your emotion. Oo, kung ganito kung may nakikipagbalikan eh. So anong meron, Leo? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya ngayong nakikipagbalikan siya? Or kung di man nangyayari pa, pwedeng mangyayari pa lang to. Okay? Tingnan natin. Anong kailangan mong malaman dun sa person? The Two of Pentacles in reversed. The Judgment. Hindi nila kaya yung separation. Hindi nila kaya na wala ka. Gusto nila nandyan ka ulit. Gusto nila pagbabalikan. Judgment. Yeah, the Six of Cups. Namimiss ka palagi. Okay, the Hermit in reverse. Malungkot lang siya talaga na wala ka. So that is why. Okay, it's like they need you. Yung energy ng taong to, they need you. Could be a Scorpio. Malakas yung energy ng Scorpio. Again, the King of Cups in reversed. Wag po masyadong open, ha? Kasi some of them, pwedeng hindi mo rin malalaman bakit siya nabalik. Kasi hindi siya magpapakita ng emosyon for you. Like, parang i-scratchin mo pa. Scratch it. Bago mo makita. Okay? So, let's see. Their emotion. Hindi na natin para i-scratch, no? Tingnan natin, ano ba talaga yung emosyon nito for you. Intentions. Tingnan din natin. Anong meron? Aside sa malungkot, aside sa namimiss ka, gusto kang makasama uli, if they want reconciliation, ano pa ang dahilan? Tingnan natin, ano emosyon niya? Ten of Cups in reverse. Feeling incomplete. Okay, hindi siya kontento. So, unhappy. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Okay, Leo, itong taong to, ayaw niya manghinayang. So, nakakuha ko ng panghinayang from them. Okay? So, parang ikaw yung the one that got away nila. The one that got away. Pasensya na po sa boses, ha? So, yeah, parang pagdating sa kanila, hindi na sila makakahanap ng like you. Parang ganon. So, you're the best. Parang ganyan. Okay. Next action. Let's see. What is their next action? Pero tandaan po, ha, wala akong nakikitang pagbabago sa taong to, mga Leo. Wala akong nakikitang pagbabago. Okay? The Ace of Swords in reversed. So, hindi sila magiging open. Yeah. Hindi mo pa rin pwede pagkatiwalaan tong taong to, if ever. The Ace of Swords in reverse. They have secrets pa rin. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Ganun pa rin eh. Sabihin nating walang pagbabago. Walang pagbabago. Ikaw pa rin itong parang maraming tanong pa rin pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Some of them, hindi nila talaga alam kung bakit ginugusto ng taong to na bumalik pa rin. Okay? Yeah, nakita natin, they need you, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Pero, siguro hindi pa yun yung sapat. Okay? Some of them, they're confused. Makikita mo, parang medyo mag-fluctuate yung emotion nitong taong to. Kasi kapag nandyan na, connected na kayo ulit, may chance na parang may mga mababago. Okay, may mababago, like may mapapansin ka, ganito, ganyan. Bakit parang bumabalik ka na naman sa dati? Akala ko ba gusto mong maging okay tayo? Something like that. They're confused. Okay? This person is so confused. Na High Priestess. Yeah, kung makikita niyo yan, ano kayang meron? Paghihintayin ka na naman sa message, paghihintayin ka na naman sa reply, kung ano man. Okay? Ngayon kasi may boundaries. Which is what? The separation. Okay? The separation. So, it's like may challenge. So, kapag nandyan na ulit, nagkabalikan na ulit, connected na ulit, mawawala yung boundaries. So, sabi ko sa'yo, some of you, you have to protect your emotion. Okay? Set up healthy boundaries dito sa connection na to na pwedeng mangyari. Ulit. Kasi, yun nga, again, wala akong nakikitang pagbabago from them. Kung sino siya noon, yun pa rin siya sa pagbabalik niya. Okay? So, what's the potential outcome? Excuse me. So, potential outcome. Let's see. Gawin yung gabay to, ha? Okay, kung may magbabalik, gawin yung gabay. Okay. Potential outcome / advice for Leo placements. Yeah, the Lovers universe. Hanggat maaari, hanggat kaya mo, na hindi mo na makipagrelasyon or hindi mo na talaga mag-jump, no? Ulit, dito sa connection na to, mas maganda. Yeah, bakit? Why the Lovers universe? Why the Lovers in reversed? The 9 of Wands. Yeah, marami pa rin nakatago. You can't trust them pa rin. Lalo na if you're not healed. If you're not healed, yeah, the 5 of Cups. Some of you, babalik to while you are moving on. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Cups, universe. Para lang silang nawawalang bata. Ganon yung energy. They need you. And then after, kapag nandyan na, parang, okay, gagawin ko na ulit yung mga gusto kong gawin kasi comfortable na ako ulit, feeling secured, whatsoever. Kasi nandyan na naman siya. Nandyan ka na naman, Leo, ulit. So, I can do whatever I want. Okay? Ramdam ko na parang, yeah, wala na ulit mawawala sa akin. Like that. Okay? So, kung kaya nyo na hindi muna maging open pagdating sa relationship, you have to guard up. Okay? The 9 of Wands. That's being guarded. Okay? If you can trust this person, again, so wag ka muna magiging open sa relationship kung kaya. Okay? Yeah, Justice universe, the Empress. Ayaw natin na parang magbaback to zero tayo. Okay, 7 of Wands, yeah. If you can say no, sabihin natin hindi pagiging available as always, like 100% available. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo kaya mong mag-no sa kanya, ganto ganyan, kita naman tayo, nagkita na kayo ngayon, tas bukas ulit, you can say no. Okay? Hindi yung palaging available. Huwag mong paparamdam sa taong to na you're always present for them. Okay? Pakita mo na may bago. May bago na. Hindi na ikaw yung dati nakilala niya. Kasi itong taong to, again, sabi ko nga, sila pa rin yun. Okay? So, may idea ka na. So, tayo tumungo sa all signs for you, Leo. Okay. Aries through Pisces, the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see their energy. Aries, no good cooperation. Oo. Taurus, they're juggler. Gemini, they're stalking you. Cancerian, stubborn. Leo, they're not available. Virgo, they have insecurities. Libra, third party involvement or there's a separation. Some of them, they're stalking you. Scorpio, they miss you pero they're like holding back. Sagittarius, healthy boundaries ang nandito. I don't know, some of them is pwedeng sa tingin mo para nagiging makasarili siya. Pwedeng tingin niya sa'yo nagiging makasarili ka kasi you're trying to avoid lang maybe negativities pagdating sa situation. Capricorn, confused. They're like on a crossroads. Aquarius, they're a manipulator. Some of them, they're manifesting you. Manifesting a conversation with you. Manifesting a comeback with you. So, Pisces, not doing anything, no actions coming from this Pisces. Some of them, they're not ready to move on. Okay? They're still stuck up. Parang ganyan. Okay? They still miss you, I think. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you! Bye!